the Sierra newt. She spends most of her life hidden from sight. In spring, that all changes. Her body releases hormones, and when the conditions are just right, she'll start a journey to find a mate that can be as long as 2 miles. A huge task when you're only 5 inches long. One last obstacle stands in her way, a Yosemite highway. Despite the odds, this Yosemite explorer has made it. Her skin releases a pheromone as she enters the water, an irresistible signal. Males respond almost immediately. A tumultuous ball of males surround her. In this underwater rodeo, the male who holds on the longest wins. The chosen male must now show his gentler side. He starts with subtle toe movements. And for his final big move, the chin rub. Suitably impressed, she allows for what passes as newt intimacy. She deposits multiple large egg masses, which will hatch in 7 weeks. The next generation of Yosemite's most extreme romantic adventurer.